unavailable experts, please report to room A9.
There's Hector here. Today I should be going over the opposite of a previous one I've covered. We're going to go over reverse alphabetize. So the module displays is backwards. And instead of finding which rules do apply, we find which rules do not apply. So if there's an odd number of rules that don't apply, we use the middle one. And then if there's an even number, we use the modern English alphabet again. So I prefer to just find which ones do apply. So exactly 2 batteries? No. Exactly 2 ports? No. Bob? No. Odd number of strikes during initialization? Initialization is 0, so this is not odd. So no. There's an odd number of indicators? Yes. FRK? No. First numeric digit is odd? Yes. Exactly 2 indicators? No. Even number of strikes? Yes. There are at least 3 letters in the serial number? Yes. Less than 2 indicators? Yes. Number of self-modules less than 5 during initialization? They initialize on 0, so yes. No even digit? Yes. In the serial number, that is. This thing up here. There are more than 30 modules? No. And the number of battery holders is less than 3? No. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 untrue conditions. So, since it's...
Emergency cleared. All personnel, please return to your stations.
Since we have 8 untrue conditions, we're going to be using the modern English alphabet. So our letters are going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. So we're going to be selecting the left side of the chalkboard if the display letter matches the last letter of the string. So in reality, instead of using this, we're actually going to be using this in reverse. Hence the name reverse alphabetize. And unlike regular alphabetize, we're going to be selecting the left hand side if it matches, the right hand side if it does not. So starting with A, this does not match. So it doesn't match, so we're going to be putting the right side. This is not an N, this is a U, but this also does not match. This is J, looks a bit like a C, but flip it around is a J. This is not correct. This is a C. This doesn't match. W doesn't match. U does match. This N is actually a U. T does match. X doesn't match. R does match. T doesn't match. G doesn't match. X doesn't match. S doesn't match. No. Yes. No. No. Nope. Yes. No. Yes. No. 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 And finally, no. Again, since nothing's changed in this list, we're going to be using the same set again. And by the way, during initialization, self-modules is always be 0, strikes is also always going to be 0, unless you strike and hit, you have to restart. Or I think if you update the module on TP. So, we're going to be using the English alphabet again because nothing's changed. So there's still 8 false conditions, so we're still going to be using the modern English alphabet because it's not a middle one. So, this is F. No, this is Z. Be careful with that. The Z back to front looks like an F. But it's actually a Z. The F will be the capital F you see here. So this one matches. This does not. This does not. This does. And so on and so forth. Remember, this is a U, so yes. B, no. B again, still no. X, no. A, no. L, no. J, no. T, no. G, no. S, no. Y, no. This is a J, remember? So yes. G, no. Q, no. This is what an N will look like. Is a C, so yes. A, so no. And O, so no. And that is reverse alphabetize. Hopefully you can understand the changes made to regular alphabetize to make reverse alphabetize. Hopefully you understand those changes and now understand how to do this module. And I'll see you guys in the next one.